Wow.
Sure.
Did you see that?
Yo, what up? We're here at Kapalua Bay Course on our first Finau Kapalua Invitational. We got the Finau, Summer Haze, and Alpine Galways. We're about to tee it up. Follow along. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright guys, we're out here at the Kapalua Bay Course. Boyd here with Grace. Sneak in here, Grace.
Hello.
Partner in crime. And we're playing a little match. This is the biggest by far. This is a major championship invitation only. We got 12 of us. 4 for the Summer Haze, 4 for Finau, Tony's uncle and nephews. And then we got Tony's team, Grace, Kingston, younger brother, and his pop, Jerry. So we got a 36-hole tournament, 18 holes of stroke play. We got a net side and a gross side. We got a purse for both of those. And then tomorrow we got a 4-man scramble. We put together a little purse. I found a sponsor that sponsored the purse, so we got some money involved to keep it interesting, keep it competitive. First day we're doing a net 18-hole score. Everybody has their handicaps adjusted off me. We also have money put into a skins, and the skins will also be net. So
how much money is that? We want to know.
Yeah, we got a few grand into this purse. Yeah, we got some good money. If you play well this week, you can make a little bit.
On the tee from Lehigh, Utah. Oh, got some fans. Ooh-wee.
Up next, Boyd Summer Haze. Come on, give him a hand. Team Summer Haze. Check out the outfit. Let's go. Oh, perfect.
Oh.
Perfect. Let's go.
Woo!
Perfect. Right on the
Sweet.
top.
Nice, Grace. On the tee from Lehigh, Utah. Your boy Jay Finn. Big Dog. The candy eater. Woo! The baby fade. Par 4. The pin is all the way in the back. Do you see it? Ah! Let's see where everyone hit it. Are we good? Are we good? We don't know. Get in the hole! We just see ball flying. We don't know where they're landing. Oh.
Easy six. And everybody else made par. Boyd, bogey. Ooh, that looks good. That looks really good, Tom. Nice.
Oh. There we go. Can you see the ball? Hole 2. Looks way left a little bit. Okay. Nice cage. More rapid fire. What is your favorite here in Hawaii?
I mean, all the local food you have to eat. Garlic shrimp and steak and
Okay.
cherry chicken, poke from Foodland, and Times Market. So money.
G is short for Gracie Lou.
Shot, Jake.
Get in the hole. Go, go, go. Tele for the bunker.
I think it's just because you have to hit it over hazard.
What happened? Drace just
tied my skin. That's net. We're playing net skins. He got 3 for 2 and I got 2. So there you go. It's all good.
Sorry about it.
It's all good.
Let's see. Big dog, eat. Go.
Have him hit wherever you feel like he needs to hit.
Your boy, J Finn. Oh. What did you get? Birdie. Aloha.
Yeah, I don't know how that worked. You guys out here making me putt 2-footers. I don't know. What are we doing out here? Wasting daylight. Come on.
8-iron, 187. If you watch golf, you know what that means. Second shot, hole 9, par 5. On the beautiful island of Maui, no Ka'oi.
Stay there. Stay there.
Just stay there. We need an eagle on here. Joining us, Ryder. There comes the U.
A little left, guys.
Uh-oh. Ah! G for eagle.
Eagle!
Oh, we got 6 cheerleaders deep. We got one wannabe bodyguard.
Spider-Man pose.
Oh, that's what you call a 5-footer. The gritty foot of nitty. This is the baby of the bunch, the baby of the 12-some.
Drace is a 28 net on that side, 8 under. Well, I think he just shot, like, without his shots, I think he just shot 2 under.
Nice. Kington, Finau, but he said to call him King.
Ooh.
Oh, nice, Kington.
Yeah, shot Kington. A lot of action. A lot of action. Gross and net side. Jordan and Drace are 8 and 9 under net, just through 9 holes. So
he's playing conservative.
We came here to lay up. This guy.
We almost put you on PGA memes, man. Oh! Hitting the whale.
that is unbelievable. Boy just hit a 6. We're at 220. He just hit a 6 and almost made it. Look how good this shot is. Hardest hole on the course right now.
Smack that. This is how dark it is. We're pretty much at the point where you just whack the ball and hope it goes in. Nice, Jordan. Oh! Nice, Hila.
Oh, almost. Good bird. Good job.
Good job. High five. Timo.
So we'll start with net. Our third place in our net group got a gross 71, net 67. Great summer.
Dessert on Grace.
Our second place net with a score of 73 gross. He got 12 shots. His net score was 61. Jordan no painga way.
first place winner on our net. He shot 71 gross, 1 under. He netted 59. Grace. Yeah. Go back into the first bar. Our 3 gross for today in 3rd place with a score of 70. Boys Summerhays. 2nd place gross with a score of 66. Tony Finau. Yeah. Thank you very much. And our winner of our gross, this is the first time, and correct me if I'm wrong, he's ever beat me on a course not named Silverleaf. Give him a hand. 65, Preston Summerhays. We had today, we had $1,000 in our skins. So our skins was net, meaning the holes like that guys were popping on, we're allowing them to win the skins with net. First net win was on hole number, 7. That was mine. Yeah. So I got 1 skin. Everybody joined us on number 9 and watched Grace make eagle. Eagle for double eagle, so Grace got a skin. And the other skin on 17, Boyd was this far from making a hole-in-one. Shout of the day. 230 yard 6-iron to an inch. Boyd Summerhays. Tony, let's go. Man, the only hard part is just getting here. I mean, all the planning's easy. But thank you guys. That was fun. Have a good night.
Thank you. What's up, y'all? So the videographer was a little tired yesterday, so I just came out and they're on the 10th hole. So let's go see what's up. It's been raining this whole time, but you know, got some pool time in. It's raining over here at Kapalua, so let's go see what the boys are up to.
Grace about to hit the 2nd shot on the par 5, last hole of the 4-man scramble. Summerhays are down 1 to the Finau boys. This is right at it. It has to go though.
Oh,
a little short. Boys are gonna make birdie for sure.
Here's Preston.
They're about 220, 25, 230 yards out. So it's not a short shot. That they're doing.
That's right at it.
He flagged it. Oh, good job.
I'm probably gonna have to make that, or if Boyd puts one in tight, I have to make that one. But whatever it is, I have to make an eagle.
Give himself an eagle look, and if 2 putt.
No, they need to stuff it.
2 putt birdie.
Somebody's gonna make it. Grace and them, or one of them's gonna make it.
we were talking about the old boys.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
Him in his first.
They need to be thinking make eagle to win.
have we even talked about what happens if there's a tie?
Oh, just going right and long. And that's in the bunker.
Wow. That makes it interesting. G's chipping for eagle. They need it. They need to make miss action here. They need to make. The old boys need to miss. Old boys are about 10 feet for eagle. So slide right.
Wow.
It's a good shot.
That was a good shot.
Oh,
Wow.
right down it. Cam can chip it. That's all I know. Cam can chip it is all I know. Oh! Preston Summerhays, U.S. Junior Am champ, 2-time Utah State Am champ of the Invitational from Kapalua Finau yesterday at the Gross. He's on it!
One up. Towatele. The old boys win. The trophy is coming.
Don't slip. Our family Scramble Finau Kapalua Invitational champions. Oh boys!
Yes. What got you guys to shoot score like that?
Sleep.
This is for Papa.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Good job, oh boys.
Yeah. How do you feel, Dad?
Oh, this is amazing. The event was amazing.
Amazing. You heard it here
And that inaugural event.
from Papa O. How did you feel, Toa?
We had to capitalize on these putts. I mean, we had a lot of work to get on the first couple holes, but definitely made up with those putts.
You got it done. Congratulations. Yep, what's a derby?
A derby is basically all 12 of us going to play the first hole. We're going to eliminate 2 guys per hole. We're playing 6 holes, so on the last hole is only going to be 1 guy left. Basically, the 2 worst scores every hole are out. If there's a tie, and there has to be a tiebreaker, then we're going to ask Elena if she wants us to hit a long putt, short putt, a chip, or a bunker shot. And that's the name of the game. We got a 6-hole derby, net derby. Everybody pops on this hole except for me and P. Here's up, Hila.
Your leg's gonna go through your legs.
So where'd you get that? No right here.
2 people are out per hole.
So 2 people are out per hole.
Watch those kids crossing the road.
Ball is out.
I know.
For birdie. Wait, Corey, is this a par 4 or par 5? We got Boydell.
Oh, spin it.
Go ahead, Kat.
Nice.
What is everybody going for?
That's good. That's good. Go ahead, take it out. Yes!
Oh! So KJ said if he missed that, then he's out. So he's in.
He's him and he's in. Good save, Tony.
Oh!
One
So
stop,
Preston
2
has to
stop,
make
and
it.
3, and kept going.
Oh! So whoever is the farthest from the hole is out. So P is out, and then we need someone else. Wait, why are we not looking at the hole again? Oh, so they don't read the line, golf stuff. Okay. We got it, YouTube. This for Boydell. Oh. Now we got Big Dog. Once again, they can't look. That's really cool. Oh. Let's see, Big Dog. Oh. Looks a little far. We got Seaman. Oh, just inside Drace. Papa whacked that. Am I in? Oh, yeah.
Oh, still Drace.
So Drace one is still the farthest. So it has to be inside of Drace's.
Alright, you're good. You're in. Okay, look.
Big Dog, you should have whacked that. Should have whacked and waggle. We got Cage.
Sorry, Drace. Oh, don't go with.
Is Hila gonna be inside of Drace's ball?
Yeah, I'm good.
Nobody strokes.
Oh,
Wixie is the last one. Can Wixie get it inside of Drace's ball? We do not know. We'll find out. are here at Kapalua Bay. You can't see, but it's raining. It is raining. And it's been raining like this the whole time, babe?
Pretty much, off and on.
Yep. And we are on hole 14. It's been a long day.
Lexi just became Drace's favorite for a long time.
Yeah, a long time.
Yep.
I mean, his ball literally slowed up right in front of
It
Drace's.
looked like it was inside of his.
And then it just... If I make a 4, I move on. So it's plain and simple.
Tony two gloves.
Not Tommy two glove, Tony two glove. Oh, I just made it.
Oh!
What a shot. Oh.
Oh!
It is.
Oh!
Must make.
Not the lag I was looking for there, Jordan. He showed me the speed too, bro.
Okay, putt off. Putt off. That's the farthest. We got Big Dog. Oh, Big Dog. He's mad. We got Jordan.
Oh, you're short too.
That's good.
That's way short.
Oh,
Because he's playing that high line.
That's Drace barely still. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Oh. We got Gracie. Oh. KJ's pray Papa.
Uh-oh, Gary. Uh-oh.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Wow.
Who's Pop? Papa's still closer. Toa.
Oh, that's short.
Oh.
Drace, you're in.
Oh, that's... Oh, bro.
That's still Drace. Come on now.
Give your son a chance. Oh, it's on the fringe. Oh.
Holy crap, you have to play that so high.
Yeah. Made it, Tony.
Big Dog. That birdie was so nice though, son.
Yeah, man.
One love. You know you're my number one.
Aquaman, come on.
We got Gila for par. Okay. Gila may be out. Oh, Papa almost makes it. We got Tony and we got Jordan. If Boyd makes it, he goes to a playoff with Papa and Gila. We got a putt off between Boydo, Toa, and Papa. We have P, Wixie, KJ, and Drace. Who will be joining them? We do not
I
know.
think he is. Oh, maybe not.
Okay, go ahead, Porter.
Okay, oh, he has to get closer, or Boydo is finito.
Oh, man. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Oh,
You gotta be kidding.
we got the cheerleaders.
That was a trick shot. That was
Oh,
Oh, go Gary. Let's
Papa?
do this.
Where's Papa going? Oh, Papa is out. The people want to know what happened, Papa.
I practiced way too much.
There's 6 people left.
can't believe you gave him that.
We're getting rid of 4 people because we're running out of daylight.
Yes, we are. There's 4 guys on this one hole, number 16. A bunch of these guys have shots, unfortunately, so it's not looking good for me, but it's all good.
Oh, hit the tree!
Dang it! That looked good.
Wow.
Sure.
Did you see that? Okay, once again, whoever the farthest is out, is eliminated.
Okay.
Oh, what pressure. Last hole, hole 17. It's so dark we can't even see. It looks like you can see, but you can't see. Our finalists are... Who's our finalist, babe?
Toa Finau and Cam Summerhays.
Let's
Our
go.
final 2 in our derby. Our final competition of the Invitational.
Part 3, hardest hole right
Yes.
here.
One of these
We got Toa.
Toa's over it? Yeah. He just hit.
Oh, he just hit it.
He's
Where's it
posing
going?
on it. He's posing on it. Never saw it. Never heard it.
Seaman. And Toa hit it in the water. So Seaman has to make 2 putts for the win.
He does it. Oh! You gotta give him a tap. Our last tournament or event was our individual derby, net derby, and in 6th place with winning $40 was me. In 5th place, winning $60
Sage.
was Boyd. We'll break this up for you, all right? So hang on to it. What was 4th place? 4th place was Grace. We'll give her $100. Jordan finished 3rd place. Lost on a chip off. $120 for Jordan. All right, $120. There you go.
Jordan!
2nd place winner of our derby was Toa Finau. The winner of our derby, $400. C-Man, Cam the Man, Summerhays.
I'd like to thank the Finau family for putting on such a great event.
Hey, amen.
Everyone that came out today, I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.